G'day everyone, Andrew Lindner here, 10th generation sock maker, and today we're going to bust a myth about socks. So today's topic is that we don't really need to care for our socks. So we're all busy, no one has time, and with a lot of the generics, a bit more synthetic, we tend to just throw them in the wash with everything else. So that might be an hour and a half, 30 degrees or more. And then as we get towards winter, top it off, we might throw them in the tumble dryer. So yeah, that will sort of work until we go to some wool socks. And the reason we might go to the wool sock is that it really will cover the sweaty foot problem, the foot odor problem. For the colder climates especially, where people are getting cold, wet feet. So when we get to a high quality wool sock, the standard wash and the tumble drying really will not work, because you'll end up with something like that. So the hot wash or the tumble drying, you'll find that the socks get smaller and smaller, they get tight, and so now that they don't fit properly, you'll find that the heel of the sock starts to go under, and it's now a case of the shoes are eating the socks more and more, and now you've got this habit of pulling them up. So now you're going to wear them out, and basically you've done your money. So taking good care of your good socks will really make a huge difference. You'll be comfortable all day at work, all week, and it'll actually be more cost effective in the long run. So I would call this myth busted, but if you do have any questions, please give us a call. Until next time. G'day everyone, Andrew Lindner here, 10th generation sock maker, and today we're going